Oh my God, who is this little head scallywag? So y'all know I had that virus and I literally sweated my wig off. And I don't want to keep blowing my cousin up, so I'm going to try to put it back on. Try, keyword, try. Okay, so first things first, I started off with my ball cap and I froze it down at the hairline, as you can see. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going to clean up the edge of my cap and make sure there's no extra little skin hanging around. Okay, not skin, but you know what I'm talking about. We're going to make sure that's gone, and I'm going to clean off the extra glue with the spray with this alcohol. And make sure it's between 70 and 90%, I think, because it works better. I also added some water-resistant spray around it so it can keep everything nice and dry. This is the glue that I use. It's found in most beauty supply stores. And I just went around the edges of my hairline and I applied this like maybe 3 to 4 times. I just really hope I'm doing this part. I feel like this is the most hardest part because you don't know how much glue you need. For us beginners. But I have got it done so many times, I feel like, let me try. You know how somebody doing your hair and you feel like you know what they doing? Like, it's hard to explain. Like when somebody doing my hair and I can even feel if they not doing it right. Like by the way they holding it, how they handle it. If you know, you know. It don't matter if you're a man, if you're down. Right here, I felt like I should have pulled it more tighter because you see what my part is. I felt like it was going to like wrinkle up a little bit. So ladies, just make sure you pull it tighter. That is my only thing that as I'm seeing me, I think I did wrong. And I know I ain't gonna tie this part right because when my cousin put this on my head, it'd be killing me, but I can't get it that tight. But ladies, make sure you lay that lace down. Okay, so y'all know I'm not a hairstylist, but I'm going to try. The girls just always want to try. I hope it came out a little bit okay. These are everything that I use. And what I'm going to do is when I'm done, I'm going to take this and spray it. You bought it? Yeah. Ouch. Give me this. This. Some scissors. Some even spray. Some even glue. And my son is in the way. Ow. Yeah, ow. Got to be a blow dryer. a blow dryer, stocking cap, and let's see how we did. Okay, now we took that band off, and it's looking pretty neat. How you guys think I did? Comment down below. Okay, now you pull out that hot comb and you get that thing on flat tummy tea. So what I'm doing now is I got some alcohol and I'm dabbing around the edges to make sure there's no sticky residue left. Some noodles.
Yeah, we're doing it.
I'm done. I'm not even doing nothing else to it. This is the outcome. This is what I got. She's on. She's stuck. Now let me go on my hand.
Okay.
And let me go on my